Hello, I'm Mayor Mike Foreman on Marywood Drive. It's one of many on the list of streets scheduled to be repaired this year using sales tax for streets. Along with Marywood are Clear Creek Drive, Greenbrier Drive, John Avenue, Mandale Road, Falcon Ridge Boulevard, Tanglewood Drive, Meadowlark Avenue, Winding Way, Castlewood Drive, Stanley Court, Clearview Avenue, Judy Avenue, Castle Harbor Drive, Crawford Drive, Laurel Drive, Oak Drive, Rustic Lane, and many others. These needed repairs will be paid for with the 3/8 of a cent sales tax for street repairs that voters approved in 2016. Each year, that adds up to about $1.6 million, yet the tax only adds a few pennies to small purchases. Everyone who shops in Friendswood pays it, not just our residents. Please be patient as roads are under repair. And join me in dreaming big about making Friendswood a better place to live and drive. See you next time.